Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are quickly going to be talking about a couple of ways to actually earn right here on Binance, totally free, no investment, no trading, nothing. All you simply need to do is to watch the video carefully to understand how I'm going to be explaining this right now. This is the easiest way that you can earn through Binance for free. Like I already said, no investment is required, and all you need to do right here is simply watch the video to the end so that you understand properly. Actually, what you are going to be earning right here is not really that much. I mean, it's a kind of small in a way, but still we are still going to be learning it, because I believe some people out there are still going to be doing it, and they will be earning little things from there. So if you're a greedy person, I think you need to skip the video so that leave it for people that are that are not greedy. But it's still very important that you watch the video to the end so that you get to understand every single thing on how you can earn on Binance completely free of charge. All right, so before we start the video properly, remember tomorrow is Sunday, and we are going to be announcing our free Tonecoin winners. So to be part of the Tonecoin giveaway, all you need to do is very simple. Simply look below the video you're watching right now. You are going to be seeing the subscription button. Click on the subscription button to subscribe. When this bell icon appears, click on it and select all, so that when I post new video, you'll be notified instantly. So after that guys, go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, then share the video to any of your friends, anybody, then finally drop your comments right here, because from the comment section is where we pick our winners and announce them on our Telegram. Link to our Telegram on the video description box. So right now, let's now get started. So the first thing you need to know right now about how you can be able to earn for free through Binance is to go ahead right now and click on this more button. Click on it. Okay, so once you click on it guys, you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see gifts and campaign. I think I'm having some network issue because this is supposed to be very clearer, but you can see it's still loading up, so we are still going to be proceeding. So go ahead right now, click over here that we have red packet. Okay, so click on it, and after clicking on it, you are going to be brought right here. Okay, so you are going to be required to insert a code right here. So you go ahead and insert a code immediately. Some codes are going to be right there on the video description box. So I will insert my code immediately. And once I've inserted my code like this, I will go ahead and click on claim. So clicking on claim right now, I'm going to be earning something. Okay, I need to click on open right now. So immediately I click on open, you can see I just got 2 USD. And right now you can see I just got 2 USDT. Trust me, it is not as easy as this. So watch the video to the end. Okay, so let me show you how you can be able to get a code. So at the beginning of the video, I actually posted a code right here, right? So let me show you how you can be able to get those codes. So to be able to get those codes, you can get it on YouTube, right? So you can get it on YouTube, but those codes, some of them may hold little assets that may not really satisfy you, but let me just show you. So remember, these codes that we are talking about right here, they are time-based, meaning that after a certain period of time, you are no longer going to be able to, those codes will expire. So going back right now, come over here to your YouTube channel or your YouTube account. So you click on the search bar, you go ahead and type in Binance red packets. Okay, Binance red packet code. Okay, today, so you send it, just type in Binance red packet, you are good to go. So once you send it, you are going to be seeing all this right now, but there's a customization that you need to make. So just go ahead and click on this customization button up here. You click on it, then you need to select leave it on relevance, then type leave it on type. But over here you need to set up the upload time, set it to last. Okay, just set it for today, all right, because the code usually lasts 24 hours. So set it on today. Then the next thing you need to check out right here is only videos. Check the leave the type on video. So on relevance, okay, sort by relevance, upload date. Okay, upload date. So set it up like this, then you go ahead and click on apply. So once click on apply, you are going to be seeing the latest video. So over here guys, you can see these are the people that are dropping the latest codes right here on YouTube. You can see 4 minutes, 9 minutes, 29 minutes, and each video you watch right here is you are going to be seeing a code at the end of it. So you can just go ahead and pack up all the codes right there, then go ahead and keep on claiming it on Binance. Just once you copy the code that they are going to be giving you on each of these videos, simply head back right here to your Binance, paste it right here, then you get to claim it like I just claimed mine right now. So that is not all. So you have learned the first step of getting money for free on Binance, right? So go back right now. So coming back right now, you can see my balance is supposed to increase. I think Okay, you can see it just increased right now. So right now, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click over here at the top. You can see the top right here. Click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, that is Binance Pay, right? So over here, this is mediums through which you can, make payments on Binance. But what I need you to click from here is to just go ahead and click on Pay Campaign. Okay, so once you click on Pay Campaign, you are going to be brought to this page. Okay, so once the page opens up right now, there are a lot of ways to earn right here. So over here, you need a code right here. Okay, you need to input a code, but the code that you are inserting right here is not the same as the one I've just showed you now. So let me show you how you can be able to get codes that you can use right here. So to be able to get this code right here, there are a lot of ways to earn right here. I will explain. You can see we also have send campaign right here, but let's continue with this share campaign. So I will go back right now. Let me show you how to get those codes. To be able to get those codes, come back like this, then click over here on more. So once you click on more, scroll down until you see live. Okay, so over here, this is live right here. So looking over, you can see we have this thing called BABT. I'll be showing you an update about how to go around this BABT later, but not on this video. So what I need to click from here, click on live. So let's learn how you can be able to get the code for the second way of earning right here on Binance for free. So over here on Binance Live, this is actually where some prominent person probably are going live. So once they went live, there are certain people that are going to be come to their comment section. Over there, they are going to be dropping some certain codes. All right, so and those codes right there contains money, and the money it may contain, it may be huge, it may be small, but just watch out. Let me show you how you're going to be how it all works right here. But I don't know, this is taking time to load. Just give me a little time. So right now you can see there are all these people, most of them are currently live. Okay, so you can see these ones that are recommended right here. Most of them contain those codes that you need to earn on the Binance Pay. So right now I'll just go ahead and click over here on this. All right, you can see this one right here at the center, or just anyone. Let's start with this one like this. So let's just check out the codes that they have right there. So over there right now you can see you can see over 7,000 persons are watching this right now. About 7,200. Just I'm having some network issue right here for real time. So but I'm just trying to make sure the video is as clean as possible. Just bear with me. All right, so right here right now you can see these are the codes, right? So you can see a lot of codes right here, and before the end of this video you will understand the reason why these people are posting their codes right here. So over here you can see I will just go ahead and copy any of them. For example, I will just copy the latest one. Boom, this is it. So I'll just copy this one like this. I will click on copy. So right now I will need to go back. Okay, I need to go back. All right, just bear with me right now. Going back right now, we are still going back to the Binance Pay. Right, going back to Binance Pay. Okay, so here we are, and I just need to click on Pay Campaign. Okay, I will click on Pay Campaign. So allow it to load up successfully. So once it opens up, you go ahead and paste the code right here. Okay, I'm just to I have to paste the code right here real quick. Okay, just remove this at the back. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and try it out. I'll click on claim. Let me see if this is the right code. Okay, this is invalid code, so I'll just go back and pick another one real quick. Okay, I just copied another one right now, so I'll just go ahead and paste it over here. Okay, just bear with me. So right now that I've pasted, then I need to click on claim. Let's see what we are going to have right here. Okay, you can see your chance to receive red packets have been used. Please send red packet to your friends. So I think I've already received, so I can't receive anymore because I just tried it out. So right here you can see right here I'm supposed to have gotten something from this, but I think I've got already, so I can't use the opportunity again. So I think that's what they mean right here. So simply go to those live stream, copy the codes that they are dropping right there, and paste it right here. I don't have all day to keep going back and forth to get a code, but once you copy those codes from the live stream, then you paste it over here, then you are going to be getting USD. So the last one that I tried today, you can see I actually got 0. That's very small actually, but it's still something. So you may be lucky enough to get something that's up to $10, $5, $1 thereabout, but it's totally random. So to tell you guys the reason why they are posting those codes right there is because coming over here to send campaign, let me show you something real quick and how you can easily make money right here. Okay, so over here right now you can see send $0.001 and get up to $100. This means that if you can be able to send at least $0.001 to a certain amount of people, then you stand a chance of getting $100 right here. And to be able to send it, you can either send it to your already the friends you have got already, or you can send it to official nominee, whatever they call it. So right now guys, assuming you want to send it to me, you simply need to input my email right here, or input my phone number right here, or you can use Binance UID to send it to me. But assuming that you input my email right here, or the email of the person you want to send it to, you can easily send it by clicking on the selecting USD. You can see they've already inserted it right here. Then you click on send to get reward. So once you send it, then you stand a chance of getting $100. Not that if you send it immediately you are going to be giving $100, no, but you stand a chance of getting $100. You can also invite people to this. So this is the second way of actually earning right here on Binance. Let me show you guys the third way to earn. All right, so going back right now, if you do not understand anything, feel free to rewind the video or drop your question right there on the comment section. So over here guys, there are another way. So right here again, apart from this, is still on the second way to earn actually. So apart from pasting those codes right here, you can actually create your own code. Okay, you can create your own code, and if that your code is being claimed by up to 20 persons, you are going to be getting 20 dusk. All right, so dusk is a token of its own, and it is currently valued at $0.06. So if 20 persons claim your own code, claim this through your own code, then you are going to be getting 20 dusk. When you multiply it, it is around $1 point something. And if about another 20 persons claim it, if 100 persons claim it, you get 80 dusk. And if up to 1,000 persons claim it, you get 400 dusk. All right, so this is still on the second way of earning on Binance. So let's go to the third way of earning on Binance right now. So the third way involves what we call Binance Learn and Earn. So to locate it, you simply click on more right here on your Binance home screen. So over here right now, you need to scroll down. You can see Learn and Earn right here. You click on it and allow it to open up. Once the page opens up like this is what you are going to be seeing. So remember, you may encounter some error message while trying to open up this website. So but try again, because in a couple of tries it is going to open up. So over here you can see there are a lot of things right here, but what I need you to click on is Learn and Earn right here. So click on it. Okay, and once it opens up, you can see all this right now are the things that you need to learn, and after learning it, you are going to be getting rewarded. But the unfortunate story right here is that most of them has ended. So going back to the last one, you can see it is still ongoing. But the problem right here, the reason why you may not be able to earn right here is because you can see the quiz and reward is only eligible for users who had no staking record before. So you can see this right here. If you don't have any staking record before, then you can learn and earn right here. So when you click on learn start learning right now, you are going to be prompted to watch a video right here, and after watching that video, then a button is going to be appearing somewhere at the top. It is going to be asking you to take a quiz, and after taking those quiz, then you are then going to be getting rewarded. That is just how simple it is. Okay, so this is the third way to actually earn for free, completely free on Binance. All right, so if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. All right, so this is just a tip of the iceberg. All right, so there are more ways to earn right here on Binance completely free of charge. I'll be devouring them in the coming days on my next update. All right, so but I'll be stopping the video right now because it's becoming too lengthy already. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Join us on Telegram. Winners of the free tone coin are going to be announced tomorrow. Peace out and do have a lovely day.